Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we have 2 chocolate surprise eggs from Yowie. And they're supposed to have surprises inside, like little toys or little animals or something.
And they're like Kinder eggs.
Yeah, they're like Kinder surprise eggs. So we're gonna open them up and see what's inside.
I'll open up this one, you open up that one. Chocolate, chocolate.
Ooh.
Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Okay, now what is it gonna be? How do you open this? How do you open this? Oh, where's this? Hold on. Yeah. Yes. All right, here it is. Oh, we got a cute little guy.
That's called an alpaca. It's like a llama. They climb mountains. Okay, let's see what I get. Is that chocolate any good?
I don't know, I'll try it. It's delicious. This chocolate is delicious, by the way, too, guys and girls.
I didn't make a big old mess with mine. Mine came apart in one piece. Alright.
I want to see which ones we can collect.
Well, I got a beaver.
Let me see.
A busy beaver.
I don't know if I like one or not.
I don't know if I like them either. It seems like they could have put some cooler toys in there.
I mean cooler animals.
Play and learn with Yowie and help nurture and protect our wildlife friends and their habitats. Collect, swap, and share your Yowie playmates with your friends. Yeah, I don't think my friends want a beaver.
I don't think they want a fake llama.
So these actually aren't that cool after all. But these containers are cool. You can save these containers and put Shopkins in them or something. Alright, well, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for checking in. Bye.